Wholesale Central for Dropshipping Review, My Usage Experience. Links to Wholesale Central and related resources can be found in the description below. Wholesale Central is a B2B, business-to-business directory that connects dropshipping entrepreneurs with wholesalers and manufacturers. It offers a platform for finding suppliers with no upfront membership fees, making it a great option for those looking to start a dropshipping business or expand their existing product range without high costs. One of the standout features of Wholesale Central is its extensive supplier directory. The platform lists thousands of wholesalers across a wide variety of product categories, including electronics, apparel, beauty, home goods, and more. This makes it easy to find suppliers that fit your niche and expand your product offering. You can filter results by category, supplier location, and the types of services they offer, such as dropshipping or private labeling. Wholesale Central also excels in providing free access to supplier information. Unlike other platforms where you must pay for access or a subscription, Wholesale Central allows you to browse through supplier listings, view their contact details, and directly reach out to potential partners. This is particularly useful for those who want to vet suppliers before committing to any long-term agreements. Another key benefit is the verified supplier listings, which help ensure that you're working with reputable companies. While Wholesale Central does not guarantee the quality of suppliers, the platform provides a rating and review system that allows you to get feedback from other users. This transparency helps you make informed decisions when selecting suppliers for your dropshipping business. Wholesale Central also includes bulk product sourcing options, which allows you to purchase in larger quantities for better margins if you decide to move beyond dropshipping. While it's primarily a directory, many suppliers offer dropshipping services, so you can still run a fully automated dropshipping business through the platform. In conclusion, Wholesale Central is a solid resource for dropshipping entrepreneurs who want to explore a wide range of suppliers without upfront costs. Its extensive directory, free access to supplier information, and bulk purchasing options make it an attractive platform for anyone looking to scale or start a dropshipping business. Check the links in the description to explore Wholesale Central and see if it aligns with your business goals. This review should help clarify whether Wholesale Central is the right platform for your dropshipping journey.